it's Gina with WTI, and when I needed wooden hooks to put out around my hillbilly hot tub, I knew that I wanted ones that were beautiful and that would be able to hold a lot of weight. So I got these wooden hooks that actually fold out from the wall from KYIAANY, and they are made out of acacia wood. You can see how beautifully aesthetic they are, and they can hold up to 22 pounds. I was able to install these myself with the aid of a power tool. The set comes with sheetrock anchors and screws. I only needed to use the screws. As you can see, I installed it on wood. I placed these really close up to a piece of wood that comes out from the wall. And so in order to get the hook to actually come out, you just press on the bottom part of it and then it pops right out. So you don't have to pull it from the top. I think the acacia wood is just gorgeous. It has different shades of brown, and so it gives it a really nice overall look. I am so pleased with these hooks. They're well made and they're just beautiful. I think you're gonna love them too, and that's my point of view.